In my last video, I posted how you can change your format in it. Now, after changing the format in it, you can now proceed to your plotting using the Polyline. So you can plot your job, distance and bearing. As you can see in the video, using an example of 30 meters as the distance, then 90 degrees as the bearing. So this is how you will input your distance and bearing when plotting. You can see the input, your distance, then the next thing is your bearing, till you return back to the same point you started. So that's how it is. Now this 15 meters, then the bearing is 180. You can see you use D as degree. Now you can see how it is. After you input the degrees, now you from this next point you still do the same thing. You input your distance. After inputting your distance, then your bearing. So now you are getting the fourth point. Now you return back to, we are just using this 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270, then 0, the close up. That's what we're using as an example. So you can still just close it with your Polyline, but we are cross checking. You can see the job closed accurately. There is nothing like disclosure here. Then, but in some cases, I don't think there shouldn't be any problem here. But this is how you can use your Polyline to plot the job and close it. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next one.